Okay, so these are the two blenders that I have in my house, and they are different in some ways, but I use them both and they're great. This is the Nutri Ninja, and it has the base, which is the motor, and then you can put these individual cups and make yourself a max is 16 ounce smoothie, protein shake, milkshake, or whatever you'd like to put in there. So super easy, not a lot of cleanup, and you know, small enough to take it in and out every day. It also has this larger one that you can put on the base if you'd like to make, you know, a bigger serving. So this just fits on there, and then you push that down to pulse and it will blend. And then we have this Ninja Professional 1100 watts blender. This is a beast. So it obviously makes a lot more. Max is 72 ounce, 9 cups, so quite a bit. Has low, medium, and high pulse, nutrient and vitamin extraction. This thing will blend a block of ice. And it's got the blades in there. This is easy to take off and on and to clean. And then it locks on there. I really like both of these blenders. I just use them for different things, and that sits down there. I use this more for every day if I just want like a single serve smoothie. And then this, I've made salsa with this. I've made a ton of stuff with it. So it'll, like I said, blend anything. You could put a block of ice in there. So definitely recommend the Ninja Professional Blender and also the Nutri Ninja.